What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to do with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it here. I'm pretty sure that this is from the pass around group. So that means that this, I'm just about to cut the background there with the Lady of the Sea. Don't test her. Anyways, I'm pretty sure this is from the pass around group. Let me make sure. Oh, that's right. Yeah, okay. We have another Bestech knife. I really like Bestech. Let's open this up here. I feel like maybe this is a premium one. Oh my gosh, this looks awesome. This looks awesome. Wow. Holy cow, that is cool. Again, premium Bestechs with this amazing titanium milling that they're doing here. That is absolutely beautiful. We've got another M390 blade. Very cool. Look at the blade shape here. Amazing. This is a flipper, and then it has a secondary reverse flick little hole there, and you can also do the thumb flick if you're, a professional such as myself. I'm obviously kidding. Look at the colors here. Man, we got the bronze mixed with this sort of, I don't know exactly what green I want to call that. Really, really pretty. There's not a lot of knives that can look, colorful in a striking way up against the Lady of the Sea, but we've got a pretty serious looking blade there. Anyways, can't wait to review that one. That's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out, and if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there is definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.